Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you my favorite feature on WhatsApp on an Android phone. So tap on the WhatsApp and here you will see on top option of different lists. Let me read it for you. All, unread, favorite one, group, work, registration work, all that. So I have distributed my contact, my chats into these. Some are defaulted and some I have created on my own, right? This feature help you a lot if you have many chats and you also are quite lazy to just scroll it down or search it up. What you can do is directly go to the list and you will see, and you will go to the chat of that person you have added in the list. So these are the options. You can add as many as you want. Defaulted are basically groups, unread message, communities, which are preset, right? You cannot delete that, right? And there are more which you can create. So go to the last option, the last list, and tap on the plus sign, which will help you to create another list, right? And also go to the settings, and here is option of list where you can check the list, directly delete it from here or add it, right? I told you about the preset, right? So we have these in the list. To edit or to add new list, you can just tap on the plus sign or the right and top side corner, that pen type option, to edit the list, right? You can reorder it right away. I will tell you how to create it in another video, exactly how to add contacts. Here I'm telling how to rearrange and what are actually the usages of it, right? And preset lists are available and you can add or remove it, but it will not be deleted from your WhatsApp, right? But other list will be deleted direct and you cannot get access to it. You will have to create it again. And that's how we use this feature, and it is helpful to me at least. See you in the next video where I'll tell you how to create it. Ta-da!